All right. For my birthday, I got a pair of the Ray-Ban Metas. These are the black with transition lenses, so both the clear and the sunglass option. I'm gonna do the unboxing so you can kind of see what comes with it. I'm pretty excited about it. Wayfarer. So I did just a second ago. I pulled the tab, but this is what it is. Pull that. Open it up. Listen, call, live stream. That nice presentation. Got the app, got the case, got a little some cloth in here. Pull that out in a minute. Open it up. Ooh, see the light automatically. I think it's also the charging case. This is all, I felt like that was magnetically held in there, just kind of snug. Oh, it says up. I pulled it. I don't know what that was supposed to do. Didn't seem to do much. Maybe it's starting to charge, I bet. So, pull that. Take the glasses. Yep, I bet that's exactly what it was. I bet that was stopping it from constantly charging. There they are. So they've got the black, they got cameras there. Take things off. We're getting some good views here. But yeah, pretty slick. Not much bigger than, I do have a pair of Ray-Bans. I could do a compare, a regular set of Ray-Bans side by side maybe, but yeah, about the same size, not overly noticeable, a little bit thicker on the, just heard it tell me that they're 68% charged, but the earpieces are slightly thicker, but that's about it, otherwise same shape.
Okay, so that was the unboxing. Pretty straightforward, really clean, nice design, not much different than a pair of Wayfarers like I showed. If there's anything you'd like to see about them, like to see them on, like to see how they take video, examples of things you can do with them, just drop me a comment and I'd be happy to add a new video to the series. Thanks.